Picking the right pickleball paddle might seem easy at first, but once you start playing more often, you'll quickly notice that not all paddles feel the same when it comes to control, weight, or durability. Having the right paddle can make a big difference in how comfortable and confident you feel every time you hit the court. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best pickleball paddles available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these paddles, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the Selkirk pickleball paddles, a great pick for players looking to step up their game without spending a fortune. This set, known as the SLK Atlas Max, is built for those who already have the basics down and want to improve their performance with ease. One of the biggest highlights is its raw carbon fiber surface, which gives you awesome control and spin. Thanks to this textured face, every shot feels sharp and accurate. You can easily add spin to your hits and keep your opponents guessing with every move. Inside, it features a Rev Control polymer honeycomb core that makes a huge difference. It absorbs the impact better, giving you a smoother and more stable feel when hitting the ball. That means less effort on your part, and it's easier on your hands, even after long games. Another great feature is the balanced weight. Each paddle weighs about 8 ounces, giving you the right mix of power and control. You can play longer without your arms getting tired, which is perfect whether you're still learning or already competing regularly. The full set includes 2 SLK Atlas paddles, 3 hybrid balls that work great both indoors and outdoors, and a sleek carrying bag to keep everything organized and easy to take with you. Overall, the Selkirk pickleball paddles blend modern design, advanced tech, and comfort in a way that makes playing more fun and less complicated. Whether you're leveling up or just want a solid set to enjoy the game, this is definitely a smart choice. Next up, we have the Garye pickleball paddles, a top-notch choice for players who care about both comfort and performance. These paddles are USAPA approved, which means they meet all the official standards for competitive play. Whether you're entering tournaments or just leveling up your game, you'll be playing with gear that feels professional from the start. Built with high-quality carbon fiber and a honeycomb-shaped polypropylene core, these paddles are lightweight yet incredibly strong. Even though they're about 0.7 inches thick, the weight stays between 7.6 and 8 ounces, which gives you great control and power without wearing out your arm. This setup offers a perfect balance of strength, precision, and responsiveness on every shot. The handle is another standout feature. It's ergonomic with a padded, perforated, and non-slip grip that absorbs sweat and helps you keep control during fast-paced plays. With a grip circumference of 4.5 inches, it fits comfortably in your hand, and the edge guard adds protection against scrapes and drops. Plus, the large sweet spot gives you more accuracy, while the carbon fiber surface makes it easy to add spin to your shots. This set is great for all kinds of players, from beginners to seasoned pros. It includes 2 paddles, 6 balls, a convenient carry bag with pockets for your keys, towel, or other essentials, and 2 extra grip tapes. Everything comes neatly packed in an elegant box, making it a fantastic gift option too. If you're after a paddle that's versatile, durable, and tournament-ready, the Garye is definitely worth checking out. It's a solid pick to help you stand out on the court. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the Dulce Dom pickleball paddles, a fantastic choice for anyone looking to get into pickleball or simply have more fun on the court. This set includes 4 sturdy paddles, 4 high-performance balls, 2 for indoor play and 2 for outdoor games, and a spacious carrying bag that holds everything you need to play anywhere. The paddles are made from 9 layers of strong basewood, giving them great durability and a solid feel. They also feature a reinforced rubber edge, which helps protect them from damage if dropped. Each paddle weighs about 10.8 ounces, striking a nice balance between power and control. This makes them easy and comfortable to handle, whether you're just starting out or have more experience. One thing you'll love is the soft, sweat-absorbing grip on each handle. It helps keep your hand comfortable during long games and prevent slipping, even when it's hot out. Because of this, these paddles work well for all ages and are perfect for playing with family or friends. The included bag is roomy enough to store your paddles, balls, and even extras like a towel, water bottle, or your phone. Thanks to the adjustable shoulder strap, carrying it around is super easy and won't strain your shoulder. The Dulce Dom set brings together quality, comfort, and flexibility, making it a great way to start playing or improve your skills. Whether you're practicing solo, playing with friends, or enjoying a weekend match with family, this set helps you stay active and have a blast doing it. Now let's move on to the Olanny Pickleball paddles, a great all-in-one set for anyone ready to jump into the world of pickleball with everything they need. This complete bundle includes 4 high-quality paddles, 6 balls, 4 extra cushioned grips, and a durable carry bag that makes it easy to bring your gear wherever you play. These paddles are designed to be lightweight and easy to handle, which helps you move quickly on the court without tiring out your arms. The soft, perforated grip absorbs sweat and gives you better control, even during long matches. The ergonomic handle shape fits naturally in your hand, making play feel more comfortable and effortless. Inside, the paddles feature a graphite honeycomb core, which adds both power and precision to your shots. This design gives you a nice mix of strength, control, and balance, helping you play with more accuracy from the start. Whether you're practicing alone or playing competitively, you'll feel the difference right away. The set is perfect for group games with friends, family, or your partner. It's also a thoughtful choice for schools, sports clubs, or community centers that want to introduce more people to the sport. With this kit, you're all set to enjoy the game without having to buy anything extra. Overall, the Olanny Pickleball set is a smart pick for beginners and casual players alike. It's comfortable, reliable, and makes it super easy to get started. If you're looking for a fun, complete, and affordable way to begin playing, this is definitely a solid option to consider. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, let's talk about the Warping Point Pickleball paddle, a top-notch choice if you're looking to step up your game on the court. This paddle stands out thanks to its carbon fiber textured surface, which gives the ball a little extra grip when it makes contact. That extra friction helps you add more spin, control, and precision to your shots, all without having to swing too hard. It's a great way to get better direction and style with each move. Built from a single-piece design, it has no exposed edges and includes foam injection around the frame. That means extra durability and more stability during play, plus it reduces vibration. A big win for longer matches. You'll also notice the sweet spot feels wider, so even if you don't hit the ball dead center, your shots still land strong. The open throat design around the handle improves airflow and adds better control when you're making quick moves. The grip is cushioned, anti-slip, and breathable, keeping your hand comfortable even during intense games. It's about 4.25 inches around and 5.5 inches long, giving you a firm hold without losing comfort. Inside, the paddle features a 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core, which adds a smooth yet powerful feel when hitting the ball. This helps cut down on vibrations and keeps your shots consistent and accurate. Warping Point offers 2 paddle versions, one made for control with a wider face and standard grip, and another focused on power with a longer handle and extended surface. Perfect for players who like extra reach and speed. It also comes with a protective cover, replacement grip tape, and a cleaning eraser, so you're ready to go right out of the box. If you're serious about improving your performance, this paddle is built to help you stand out. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect pickleball paddle, or if there's another pickleball paddle you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.